Here is the new C6T EZVIZ 360-degree Wi-Fi camera. Full HD resolution, crystal clear images and videos. Pan tilt function, turn the camera to any position. Night vision up to 10 meters. Wide-angle lens 4mm. Local recording on micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. Built-in two-way audio, smart motion detector, track moving objects and record video, masking function to protect privacy. Let's see what is inside the C6T box. C6T camera, power adapter and cable, screw kit, base, drill template, quick start guide. Let's configure the camera. Connect the camera to the power outlet using the adapter and cable. When the camera is ready for setup, the LED indicator will flash red and blue color. Connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi. Download and install the EZVIZ app from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the app, create or register your account following the wizard. To add the camera, tap Plus in the home page. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera or on the cover of the Quick Start Guide. Select device model and network. Enter your password to your Wi-Fi network. Place your smartphone next to the device and wait a few moments. The device is added. Select the correct time zone and date information. Click on View Device to complete configuration. C6T is now functioning. Place the camera where it gives you a full room view. You can also mount it on the ceiling. You can adjust the camera via the EZVIZ app to get an optimum angle. Just turn the camera with pan tilt feature to any position using EZVIZ app. C6T will take a 360-degree panoramic picture of the room. All you have to do is touch the image and the C6T will automatically pan tilt towards it. You can also select and activate from the app alarm and sound notification and set motion detection sensitivity. Thanks to the two-way audio function, you can listen and speak. You just need to activate the microphone. Now you can control what is happening day and night directly from your EZVIZ app. In case of an alarm, you will receive real-time notification on your smartphone. C6T is ready to be used.